Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to explain contour detection and show examples with OpenCV in Python. Image contour detection is a technique used to identify and extract the boundaries of objects or regions in an image. The process involves detecting edges in a grayscale image and grouping them to form closed contours. Contours are widely used in tasks such as object recognition, shape analysis, and image segmentation. In this tutorial, you will briefly learn how to find and draw contours in an image by using OpenCV functions in Python. The tutorial covers contour detection, extracting contours, and source code listing. We'll start by loading the required libraries. Here we use OpenCV, matplotlib, and NumPy. In this tutorial, we need the target image file to apply contour detection. The following code shows how to load an image and display it in a plot. Here you have to change your file path. Since I use matplotlib library to display images, the image color order needs to be adjusted into matplotlib type. Here is how to adjust to matplotlib type. We have to convert BGR to RGB. First, we'll convert the image into grayscale and find threshold to create binary image and find contours in an image. Then we draw contours in the binary image. Below code shows how to write those steps in Python. To convert the image to grayscale, we use a CVT colorer and apply threshold to create a binary image by using adaptive threshold. Then find contours in a binary image. Then we draw the contours on the copy of original image. After detecting the contours, we can highlight or extract contours in an image. The following shows how to highlight contours with color. We find contours by using find contours function and draw contours on the background. Here then we can display the output image. It's also possible to keep the original color of detected contours in an image. In below code, we extract contours with their original color. Here is an example extracting contours with their original colors. We create a mask image with the same size of original image. Then we draw filled contours on the mask image. Then extract the foreground pixels from the original image using the mask and display the output image. In this code, we visualize all the outputs of the contour images in above methods. We collect them to dictionary. The first one is original image, then the detected contours, and then highlighted color highlighted one, and foreground. This defines the extracted contours. And we display the outputs in a 2x2 subplot. Here is the result. The first one is original image. Here I selected the easier image to identify the contours easily. The second one is detected contours. We highlighted them with green color here. The next one is the colored contours. We give the color to detected contours. The last one is extracted contours with their original color. In this tutorial, we briefly learned how to detect contours on image and extract them with OpenCV functions in Python. Here is the source code. I'll put the link to the source code in description. If you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel. Please hit like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.